Are we in a buyer's market? We'll cover that today on Frequently Asked Friday. What is going on, party people? Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Frequently Asked Friday. In the video today, we're going to be covering the question of the day: are we in a buyer's market? I will date this video saying we're recording this in January, mid-January of 2023. Not sure exactly when we'll drop this yet. Before we get into the content though, if you would like, subscribe, smash the bell, smash the like button, give me a heart, give me a little TikTok dance, whatever we do on TikTok. I appreciate the love on the socials. It certainly helps. All right, so let's just jump right into the content. So before we start talking about buyer's market, seller's market, let's define what that is. A neutral market is 6 months supply of inventory. A buyer's market is anything above 6 months supply of inventory. A seller's market is anything below 6 months supply of inventory. What does supply of inventory mean? Good question. I'd love to answer that for you. Months supply of inventory is a metric in real estate that we track that is essentially a barometer of where the market is. Months supply of inventory is essentially at the rate at which homes are selling. If nothing new were to hit the market, how long would it take out to sell the current inventory that is available on the market? Once again, anything below that 6 month supply is considered a seller's market. So if you look at the graphic over my shoulder, this shows you the month supply of inventory over the last 10 years, okay? You will notice on this graphic, or maybe you can't because it's too small and you're looking at it on your smartphone, 6 months supply of inventory is the top of the graph, okay? So over the last 10 years, we have been in a seller's market based on the definition of what a seller's market is. Fun factoid, if you want to sound super smarty pants to your friends, Metro Richmond has not been in a buyer's market since November of 2011. If you remember, we had the financial crisis of 2008, kind of the real estate market bottomed out 09, 010, and then 11 is when we started to recover. So we've been in a seller's market for the last 10 years. Now, what's very interesting, looking at the numbers for December of 2022, which is the numbers we currently have, we were at 0.6 months supply of inventory. So literally, if nothing new hit the market, the rate at which homes are selling, we would sell out the current inventory in a little over 2 weeks. At the absolute peak of the market, December of 2021, when the market was at its hottest, yes, I said that, the market was at its hottest, December of 2021, we were at 0.4 months supply of inventory. We are now at 0.6 months supply of inventory, meaning, yes, buyer demand has dropped, but seller supply has dropped much further, which is kind of creating that imbalance again, where we're starting to see where home prices are starting to appreciate again, homes are flying off the shelf. We're even seeing multiple offer situations on certain properties. So I hope that gave you some information. I hope I gave you some factoids. You can sound smart with your friends. If you have a question, if you have a comment, if you disagree with me, if you have a good knock-knock joke, throw it in the comments or shoot me a DM. Thanks in advance. Look forward to seeing you next week.